Lesson 5. What does the recipe say?
Say, Luke, can you help me make a chocolate cake?
Of course. What do you need?
Let's start with the dry ingredients. First, we need flour.
Okay. How much flour?
2 cups. Now, we need sugar.
How much?
1 cup. We need cocoa powder, too.
Right. How much, Mia?
1 cup also. Is there baking powder?
Yes, there is. How much?
1 tablespoon. What about baking soda? Is there any?
Just a little.
That's okay. We don't need much. Just a tablespoon. Now, do we have espresso powder?
I think we do. Yes, here it is.
Great. We need a tablespoon, too. And a pinch of salt. Now, for the wet ingredients.
Good. What do we need now?
Are there any eggs?
Yes, there are. How many do you need?
2 eggs. Is there milk in the fridge?
Yes, there is. How much milk?
1 cup. And 1 cup of butter.
Anything else?
Vanilla extract. 3 drops. Now we mix it all together and put it in the oven.
All right. I love the smell of chocolate cake.
Watch the video again and learn the vocabulary.